In this video, I'll show you how to deploy GitHub project on Cloudflare. First of all, you need to make sure that you are logged in on Cloudflare and also on GitHub. Then you need to go to the Cloudflare. On the left-hand side menu, you need to find Compute and you need to click on this. Then select Workers and Pages. And in the top right corner, you will see this blue button, Create Application. You need to click on this and then select Connect GitHub. Right here, you need to scroll down and click on Install and Authorize, and then click Continue with GitHub. Then you need to choose the project you want to deploy on Cloudflare from your GitHub. For example, I will deploy my calculator, and then click the Next button. You can make some changes and then click Deploy. So as you can see, we need to rename the project because we can only use lowercase letters. So let's use lowercase letters and some numbers and the name, and let's click deploy. So as you can see, we are redirected on this page. Now we need to wait from few seconds to few minutes and our project will be deployed on Cloudflare. So after it finishes the steps, your project will be deployed on Cloudflare. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.